Hello folks, this is my gardening update here. I got something new too. I got a solar bird bath fountain I bought off of eBay. And I kind of like it. You got to make sure it keeps water in it though. And you can change the nozzle to whatever you want. I might have to take the nozzle off so it doesn't go over and empty out the bird bath. Okay, let's go back to the garden here. First, this is my mosquito plant here. It's growing new leaves. It was dying and we cut the old stuff off. It's now regrowing again. May have to do some more trimming on it. Let's go back to the lettuce here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put these in pots because it looks like they're about to bolt. We've been trimming off of them, the size of them. And, oh yeah, I want to show you this too. Remember I showed you the Amish way, how to grow tomatoes? Well, this is my beefsteak. Pretty cool, ain't it? I'm going to put this in there. I'm going to take those out. And I got to do something with my... Yeah, they're ready to be transplanted. My grape tomatoes. Yeah, my grape tomatoes. And if I got to bring a pair of scissors out with me. Let me see if I can do it with these. Yeah, that'll do it. I usually use a pair of scissors, but this is working. If we don't do nothing with it, they're going to turn a leather, really. Turn like leather. Yeah, there's a shell, a bug shell here. Cicada. We eat these on BLTs, hamburgers. Okay. And you start from the outer leaves, outer lower leaves, and you start cutting up on it. Sometimes we eat a salad, at least Shelly does. I can't really eat the salad. Just behind my dentures. And here's one tomato plant here. Shelly been putting flowers off of here. It's supposed to make them grow better. We'll see. See anything yellow, pull them off. Any stems that touch the ground, pull them off, because they'll get diseased. here's the bell peppers. Here's the other bell peppers. Here's my yellow jalapeno. There's some weeds. And here's my other sets of tomatoes. Anything close to the ground I'm getting rid of. Except for maybe that one there. And here's my watermelon that I bought at the store. Mother was didn't make it. Hopefully these will. We had a lot of rain. We had, I'll put there how much rain we had on here. Over 6 inches, 6.7 inches, I think it was, something like that. And let me go down here. We got bees down here pollinating. I was pulling the troll cam from the raspberries over there. Bees start flying around me. I'm not for sure what these are. I think these are just weeds. We need to get rid of them. I've been seeing some butterflies around here too. Jalapeno. Look at that bug getting that jalapeno. And this one, no, yeah, it had a flower on it. It's gone. Here's another jalapeno. What I did, I took some of my milkweed plants. I planted them out here. I took these little stakes here. These are stakes you get on those solar lights you get at Dollar Tree. Well, sometimes the solar lights don't last all that long. So I just paint the tip of it red. And then I stick it in the ground. So I don't pull the milkweeds out. See, there's milkweeds here, plants. This one here, I just got one of these other things. And there's 2 milkweeds there. What I did, I just took a bunch of them, planted them down. I know some might make it, some might not make it. Here's another jalapeno. Here's my mammoth jalapeno here. Like I said, we've been having a lot of rain. But I'm going to put the lettuce in some pots, take them inside into my greenhouse / studio under some grow lights, because when it gets hot, they'll bolt. Let's go back here. Okay, these are the milkweeds. They're starting to flower a little bit. That grew wild here. And there's a cicada on one of them right there. I don't know if you can see them. Or there's a couple of cicadas on them. They're not going to hurt them though. Make a nice little landing pad for them. And there's the single one here, right there. Cicada's not that bad today. Oh, that one's trying to fly on me. They'll get worse later on. We had a big rain yesterday. 2 storms that came in. Kind of calmed them down a little bit, I think. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, this is our peach tree here. Got little peaches on. I don't know if you can see it. I'm wearing my camera on my chest. And over here, I think I saw some apples a while back. Yeah, there's an apple. Cicada on there too. There's an apple right here. And this is our plum tree. One of them flew on my neck, those cicadas. They fly on you and they scream. And we get a lot of plums dropping on the ground. But we'd be coming out every so often, though, try to pick some. We got this little fruit thing. You just stick it up in it, it grabs them and pull it down. Like some more plums need to be picked. And over here, of course, that's our currants over there. Oh, look at this. Nope, cicada. Hi, cicada. Anyway, I don't know if you can see that. There's some berries down here. Let me pick one. Kind of tart. Get out of here, cicada. It was kind of tart. Pick one for Shelly. Oh, where'd that bug go? Shelly makes some more cages for these strawberry baskets. I need to pick some too. Here's our grapes. Yeah, getting bigger. I'll be coming out here eating a lot of grapes before the squirrels get them. Me and the squirrels are going to be on a race today, this time. Okay. We don't care for these melons cages. I think we could have done better with nylon or some wood or something. I don't know. Got 2 strawberries here. That's all I see. Yep, just 2. We got more popping up pretty soon though. Let me go in the house. Oh, I forgot to show you. Bought a new wind chimes at Lowe's. Pretty butterfly one.
I didn't see it.
And these are the plums we got so far that didn't get squashed on the ground. We got plenty more out there to get to. What we do, we soak the lettuce in water, rinse it off, and then we bag it in Ziplocs, throw some air in it. Soak it in water for a while, and then we wash each of the leaves off and put it in a baggie. That's all we do. Tastes nice and crisp. Well, that's all I got for you now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time. Later.